In this video, we're going to discuss how we can fix icons, specifically the AutoQUANT icon after the software has been installed. There are instances where when you install AutoQUANT software, the appropriate icon does not show up in your system. To show you an example, I'll click on Patients, open browser, and you notice that in my application palette here under Spec, I do have AutoQUANT listed and I have QBS listed, and I can run the AutoQUANT application, but the icon is not there. It's just an X. So how can I fix that? What has happened is when the application hook was created, something went wrong, and basically what we have icons that did not get renamed. So what I'm going to do is I open my computer, go into my C drive, go to my program files, go to Philips Nuclear Medicine, JetStream WorkSpace, support, and if I look in support, here they are right here. You will see these four icons. If you remember the names when we installed AutoQUANT, one of them was QBS and the other one was QCA. You notice all the other icons here, gated tomo, liver, all these icons, they all start with a name. These start with hook that were supposed to be renamed when the application hook took effect. So what I'm doing is I'm just changing the name to get rid of the hook underscore. The icons are in the right spot. They're in program files, Philips Nuclear Medicine, JetStream, support, but they're named inappropriately. So now that I've changed them, I can close this directory, start my JetStream WorkSpace up again. If I go to my Patients, open File Browser, lo and behold, my icons are proper. This also applies with if I go to my Preferences and I want to add AutoQUANT, almost went the wrong direction, and QBS to my toolbar, File, exit, saving it, want to restart the application, and you'll notice now I have my two icons up here. You can see one of them's QBS and the other one's AutoQUANT. The support staff at Universal Medical are here to assist you with all of your nuclear medicine technical and parts related questions. Please call us at 888-239-3510.